really good.
What do you call egg in the basket in Iran?
Egg in a basket? Well, we wouldn't say egg in a basket. We'd say like egg in a bread. So like tochten banun.
Oh my god. Okay. Say it again.
Tochten banun.
So we're making a tochten banun bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich
I
today.
don't think it'd be eating bacon either over there.
Oh, that's true. It'd be like lamb. Egg in a hole, egg in a basket, toad in the something or other, whatever. It's the piece of toast, you cut out the center, you fry an egg in it. I feel like everyone's dad made that. And then cheese, bacon, turn it into a sandwich. I don't know, it's over the top. First things first, a couple slices of nice, crusty, sturdy bread. You want to cut them about 3/4 of an inch thick. If it's too thin, then the egg will spill over. I'm going to use a 2-inch biscuit cutter and punch out a circle in the middle of both slices. And this sandwich features not 1, but 2 eggs. And we're going to sizzle up some bacon. So this recipe makes 2 sandwiches. I'm going to show you how to make 1, but we're going to fry up all the bacon. Okay, flipping. Never have too much. How's my stain looking? I have a stain in my apron, but we decided to go with it anyway because that's what aprons are for. Crispy McCrisperson. So we're going to pull it out and let that cool for just a moment while we fry up the bread. There's a lot of bacon fat in here, and quite frankly, it's too much. So I'm going to tip a little bit off, and we'll save that for the second round. We're going to fry these 2 slices of bread, just tipping to make sure fat gets underneath all of it. We have some nice color. So now comes the egg drop moment. So we drop a whole egg into each of these. Season with salt and pepper. Eggs are bubbling. That's good. We fry one side till it's super crispy golden brown, which is what's happening here. We'll flip these, kiss them, and toast them lightly on the other side. This way, we have crunchy exterior, soft interior, and a runny yolk. We are moments away from flipping. I'm a little bit nervous, I'm not gonna lie. This takes a little bit of courage. All right, and 2. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of butter in here just for some extra fat, and that butter is gonna brown and get nutty and just more flavor as if we needed it. We're flipping back. Notice these are still pretty blonde on the inside. That's okay. That's our soft part of our sandwich. And now I'm gonna put a couple slices of cheddar cheese right on here and let that melt. Take it off the heat. Okay, I'm gonna cut the bacon in half so that it's more manageable on the sandwich. And again, this makes 2, so repeat this process one more time if you want. I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of hot sauce. We now have our fully assembled sandwich, which is egg in a hole, cheddar cheese, bacon, another egg in a hole. This is a knife and fork kind of a sandwich, if you hadn't noticed. I mean, that's perfect hangover food. It's the perfect example of the whole is better than the sum of its parts. What? Oh my god, that was such a good pun. I didn't realize I was punning though. The whole, the egg in the hole is better than the sum of its parts. I mean, nailed it.